In this video, I'll show you how to change your TikTok profile picture on your PC or laptop. The process is really simple, and you don't need the mobile app to do it. First, open your browser and go to the TikTok website. Log into your TikTok account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll usually land on the For You page. Now, to get to your profile, you can either click the profile icon in the top right corner or use the profile option on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, click on View Profile to open your full profile. To change your profile picture, click on the small pencil or edit icon next to your photo. This will open a file browser window on your computer. From here, you can navigate through your folders and select any image saved on your PC or laptop. It could be a selfie, a logo, or even a professionally designed picture. Just make sure it looks good at smaller sizes, since TikTok profile pictures are circular and relatively small. Once you've chosen your photo, click Open or Upload, and TikTok will automatically replace your old profile picture with the new one. Don't forget to save the changes by clicking Save at the bottom of the pop-up window. Within just a few seconds, your new profile picture will be live and visible on your account. A quick tip: if you want your profile picture to look sharp, try to use a high-quality image that isn't blurry or pixelated. Also, make sure the main subject of the picture, whether it's your face, a logo, or anything else, is centered so it fits nicely within the circular crop TikTok uses. And that's it. You've successfully updated your TikTok profile picture directly from your computer or laptop. This is a fast and convenient way to keep your account looking fresh, even if you don't have access to the TikTok mobile app.